Today we're going to talk about how to make your home look expensive using cabinet hardware. So cabinetry is extremely expensive and we do not want to have to replace it, especially for the purpose of getting your home sold for more money. So instead, we want to dress those cabinets up and make them look new. So when buyers come through, they get the impression that they're buying a home that does not need renovations. So we want them to come in and we want them to see that home as move-in ready, something they can be very proud of. There are different options when it comes to cabinet hardware. You can do just like regular knobs. You've got rings, which are a little less popular, but very high impact. You've got pulls, which are also like handles. So you can mix and match those. You can stay all in the same, all pulls, all knobs, or mix and match, depending on what you want to do. Get creative with it. You can pretty much design it how you would like it to look. And you can also select whatever color hardware you want to have. So you're not limited if you have a chrome kitchen faucet or a chrome light fixture, you're not limited to stick with chrome. You can mix metals these days. Most important thing not to do, and the biggest mistake I've seen in cabinet hardware, is people going with these hokey themed knobs like dolphins and seashells. Anything, don't do anything with dolphins or seashells. My God, that is a decorator's like worst nightmare and it's ugly. Don't do that. So we're looking for elegant, classy, bold pieces that are really going to accent your cabinetry and make it look expensive.